Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase players in FIFA Mobile. So you're going to go into the market section, then you're going to go into the search column. You're going to search for a player. Let's say we want everyone, then you're going to press the search button. Here, pick a player that you want to purchase. So for this tutorial we're going to use someone within our price range. So we're going to go into the search bar. Sorry, we are in store. Do apologize. Let's go on overrated of 86 maximum and let's press search. Now let's say we want to purchase. Let's go into the ascending order of market value. Pick billing and press purchase. And all it's going to do is going to look for someone else to see if they purchased it. If nobody's purchased it within the time limit, you have the player as your star player, so then you can put him in the squad. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.